Hey, what's up guys? In this video I want to talk about my TikTok shadow ban. Yes, I am still shadow banned on TikTok, or whatever term you want to use, flagged, banned, shadow banned. About a month ago I posted this video when this actually happened. It's been over a month now. I am still quote-unquote shadow banned on TikTok, but I want to share with you a couple of things that I have tried. There are a lot of YouTube videos, research that I've done, and nothing has worked so far. So fingers crossed. I'm hoping at some point TikTok will look at my account and be like, and realize, hey, there's nothing wrong about this account. It's actually a really cool, innocent, fun, good account about Instagram, about marketing tips, hacks, tactics, experiments. Hopefully they'll lift this flag or ban from my account. But first of all, you might be thinking, how do I know if I'm quote-unquote shadow ban? So here is how I kind of know that, or here's what happened on my account. So when I look at, and this has been happening for like last over 30 days now, if I look at any video and then look at analytics, all of my traffic is coming from following and personal profile. For example, this video right here, so 31% watched full video. Everything came from following and personal profile. So this is the case with every single one of my videos. So if I go back to, here's another one. Let's look at the data of this video. 33%. Good watch time. Average watch time 7.3 seconds. The video was 9 seconds. All the traffic is coming from following and personal profile. So I'm seeing nothing, like 0% traffic from For You page. And this happened, I explained in the video that I made right here about a month ago. I believe this happened because I deleted, there were a couple of videos, they got community guidelines violation. I deleted those videos, and then next day, this happened. I stopped getting any impressions, any views from For You page. Let's look at, here's another one video. Same thing, following personal profile, no traffic coming in from For You page, right? So, and obviously some of these are low views, some of these are a couple of thousand views, some of these have good watch time, some of these don't. But in all of my videos, nothing from For You page. Usually if I have some traffic from For You page, and if it's less percentage, I know the content may not be as good, right? Content needs to be worked on. But so far, different things I've tried. Number one, I tried posting consistently. Number two, I tried going live. Number three, I did change my devices to see if it's some sort of device. That's number three. Number four, I did. Someone was talking about, I forgot, a YouTube video I watched. Someone said, maybe, don't post for like 3 days. So I did, quote unquote, rest my account for 3 days. Look at here, same here. And then that's the other thing I tried. I did kind of not touch my account, logged out for like 3 days, and then reposted again. But nothing has worked so far. Another thing I did, and here's something, if you don't know, you can actually leave a message to TikTok. You can do it on mobile and desktop. So on desktop, you're gonna click on your face and then feedback and help. Scroll down, look at the feedback history, and here's the first time I sent them a message was 6/22, June 26th, and then July 17. Never heard anything back. So these are called support tickets. So I have open support tickets with TikTok. I'm not sure if anyone is watching that box or support box or not. But so far I've tried those 4 or 5 things, but nothing has worked so far. So I wanted to give you guys a quick update just in case if you are going through the same situation, maybe try out these things. I did try co-live too, meaning going live with another account, and I think I tried it like 3 or 4 times, but nothing has worked so far. So I don't know. I'm gonna continue doing some more experiments, more testing, continue creating content, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I think at some point, it's been a month and a week, so it's been 5 weeks so far. I'm hoping that at some point TikTok will realize, hey, it's a mistake, and they will unshadow ban me, and I'll let you guys know if that happens, or if there's something I do that trigger that action, that unshadow ban me, I will let you know that as well. Meanwhile, happy posting on TikTok. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.